Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have my beauty empties right here. There's lots of hair and personal care items, but we'll just see what I have here and give you some reviews on some things. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, I have so much makeup. I need to go through it and clean it out and get rid of some stuff, but I switch up my makeup so much, my different kinds of makeup, that I don't really have a lot of makeup products in my beauty empties because I rarely finish them to the end, like before I start another one. I know that's crazy, but anyway. But I need to share more of those. But I do have lots of hair stuff and a few makeup things. But I'm going to start with what's on top here. This is the Living Proof Full Shampoo and Conditioner. I am going to be honest and tell you, I think I got this from like a Fab Fit Fun box or something. I love Living Proof products. I do have their dry shampoo. I love it. And they have a dry blast volume spray that I absolutely love. These I didn't love. I don't know why, but they just didn't. I really like a shampoo that I can get some lather in, and I couldn't. This one I didn't really get lather in. Plus I didn't think my hair seemed that, I don't know, just didn't seem as fresh when I used this. So I'm going to say I personally wouldn't get this again, although I love the brand. And so it smells okay. I mean, it's just okay. So take it for that. It's just my opinion. So these, but I used them up, but I couldn't wait till they were gone because I was kind of like, okay, I'm done with this. So that's my first two items. My next item is also this is a conditioner. I shared the shampoo, I think, my last beauty empties. This is from Nelson Beverly Hills. I have used this quite a bit, so I liked it and bought it again, but I think they changed the formula. Once again, it wasn't quite as lathering as I like, but the conditioner I like a lot better than the shampoo, and the conditioner seems to last longer for me than the shampoo. But anyway, so that's why I'm sharing this. This is hit or miss. I don't know if I found new products that I really like. So I'm loving Amika's right now, shampoo and conditioner. So I'm not sure if I'll buy this again. I think I might have a set still though, as a backup. So anyway, that's my other hair. Now this is for the hair, but this is Collab Dry Shampoo. And this is all absorbing without white residue. I love this stuff. Loved it. I don't know. I'm going to look it up and see if you can get it. I don't know if you can get it from Amazon or where, but I think I got this in a glossy box when I was getting glossy boxes. Feels like there's something in here, but no, it's just dry air. But anyway, I really like this. I would get this again. I have a lot of dry shampoos right now though, and there's other ones I really like. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I have here, let's see if I have any more. I have one more hair thing. And let's, this is Christoph Robin. I talked about this and I just got a new one, and I think, was it last month or 2 months ago, the allurebeautybox. I was about out of mine. This is just a leave-in mist hydrating. It's very hydrating. Your hair comes right through it. I love the way it feels, smells, performs, everything. So I was so happy to get another one, so I don't have to buy it, because it is a little bit of a pricey product. So I was able to get it in my ALLURE box, so it paid for the box, and I got other things in that box. But anyway, Can't say enough good things about this. Love it. One of my favorite hair products. So there's that. I've shared this before too. I've gone through another deodorant. I use the Dove spray. I get mine from, this is Cotton Soft. I get them from Amazon. They have improved and made them safer, the safer spray and better. So anyway, I usually buy these in 6-packs and it's just what I like to use. So I would highly recommend this. Okay, so the next thing, when I get out of the shower, this is like my favorite. This is Fresh and Clean Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink line. I don't know if they sell it anymore in the stores or not, but I know I can get this on Amazon, and a lot of times I think I've gotten them on sale before. And I stocked up. But I love, love, love the scent of this. You just feel fresh. And when I look at the ingredient, let's see, it smells really fresh, but it doesn't really, I'm not smelling these scents. Maybe I am, but it says sweet apple, fresh tangerine, and sea spray. So anyway, love them. I love them together. So I do have backups I'm already using again of these because it's just kind of my go-to when after my shower. So it smells so good. Let me see if I can get a whiff. Okay, whoops. There's a little bit of lotion right at the top here. Not much. Hey, maybe got one more use out of that. Look at that. Okay, all right, that's great. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. But anyway. Okay, so that's body. I went through this EOS Shea Butter hand cream. Let's see. It looks like a fruity, citrusy scent. So anyway, love hand creams. I like this okay. EOS brand is a good brand. Anyway, so it was just okay. But okay, let's get to a couple of skincare products. I've got this LMS. These are dynamic resurfacing facial pads. And I did not use them all and they dried up. So have to say goodbye to that. So I'm kind of bummed because I like LMS. I just don't know what happened. I don't know how long I've had it, but obviously too long. So it looks like some were used, but not all of them. But anyway, so goodbye to that. The other skincare I have is from, this is from Pure. It just says Pure on here. It's collagen 5% serum. I don't know who this is. Has a tad bit in the bottom, but the dropper wasn't working anymore, and so I used up most of it. So I said goodbye to that. Not a bad, I mean, it's collagen. I used it. I didn't seem to have a problem with it. It seemed like a decent product. Okay, so I have in here a lip. What is this? Just Time to Say Goodbye. It's a minty. I love it. And who is this by? Can't remember, but let's see. Sugar Cosmetics. Anyway, that was fun. A fun balm, and it's time to say goodbye. I have a mascara. This is from Lash Princess. It's been used up. It used to be one of my favorites. I mean, it's so inexpensive. So anyway, that's not bad. So there we go. So I've used that up. Also, one of my all-time favorite products. You guys know this. This is my Benefit. This is the brow gel, and it's got a little comb on it. I do have backups of this. I buy it over and over, but it's definitely dried up here. There's a little bit of moisture, but it's pretty used up. So there's that. Now in the perfume department, my favorite all-time perfume is Victor Rolf. This is Flower Bomb. Love this perfume. And gosh, it looks like there's a drop in there. I might have to try to, I don't have perfume on today. Maybe I'll see if I can get anything out. Maybe a tad. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, it's the best perfume on earth. I'm not kidding. I love it. I get so many compliments on it. It is a little bit pricey, so sometimes I'll try to buy it from Sephora when they have a sale, or a lot of times you can get it at department stores, like with, you know, they have a free gift or whatever. So I always keep my eyes open for that. I have another bottle that is pretty much dry. I've been using, maybe it has a couple more days out of it, but anyway, so it'll probably be in my next month's. But so, and then I'm out, I just have some little tiny ones. So anyway, there's that, one of my favorite things. The last thing I have in here is, this is Uber Lube. Okay, I get this on Amazon. It's pricey, but it is a lube, and it's kind of personal to share, but my doctor told me about it, and it helps with, it just helps keep you fresh, and helps from chafing. And so it's when you rub it in, it feels kind of greasy, but it's really not. So after I shower, I'll put this in places like under, you know, like when you're a little bit larger like me, you have more places that you can put this. But anyway, I just wanted to share it because when she told me about it, she gave me some samples, and I fell in love with it. Even though it was expensive, I had to get this, wanted to get this brand. So anyway, so that's my last thing I have in here. And I also got a backup of this too. Like I said, I get it on Amazon. So anyway, that's it for all the beauties. Tell me if there was a favorite thing you saw here or something you want to try. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. And I have someone at my door, so I better go. Anyway, so thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye.